which is gonna be sviter. Sviter. And I may not be saying that right, but I never said I was fluent in Russian, so we don't have a word for it in Armenian. Okay, so now we have danel. So danel is a very common action verb and it means to put on. The only thing with this is you can't use it for clothing, it has to be for objects. So for example, a hat, like a gulkhark, it could be for shoes, like koshikner, it can be for boots, objects, or glasses, things like that. So it's pretty, gulkharkner, if I didn't already say that. It's going to be for things that you quickly just put on and you're done. It doesn't mean like I'm putting my arms through sleeves or there's holes in its clothing, you know? It's not going to be things like that. So let's go through a few sentences. So first of all, yes, dănum im gulkharkă. I'm putting on my hat. Tu dănum ես քո կոշիկները. And something to note is that when we're actually saying the verb, the R becomes an N. And of course, you're going to have your suffixes like M, S, and the pronouns. Yes, tu, na, menk, etc. Pretty straightforward. Haknel is going to be for the clothing. So it's going to be like, yes, haknum եմ im շապիկը. Tu haknum ես քո պաճկոնը. So it's just going to be things like just clothing. So whatever we couldn't say for darel, we're going to say for haknel. And then karel is just a formal way to say to wear. So it's just formal. Yes, կրում եմ im շապիկը, etc. Okay. And then we have bernel, which means to catch or to hold. And I really put this here for umbrella, which is going to be anzrevannots. So let's go on to a better action verb that you're going to need to know, which is going to be kapel. So kapel means to wrap. And you're going to use this for goti, which means belt. So for example, du kapum ես քո gotin. The reason I add a na to the end is because it's an object and I'm doing an action to it.